finally, Google is going to launch it. Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well. Google Pixel Watch just got leaked and it seems like Google is not bothered if it's leaked or not. Meanwhile, it is confirmed that Google is ready to launch Google Pixel Watch this year. According to the rumors, Google is going to unveil Google Pixel Watch in the upcoming Google I/O event, which is starting from 11th of May 2022 next month. And it seems like we don't need more news than the actual watch prototype hands-on. And this is some sort of a dramatic thing happened to the Google Pixel Watch. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below Google Pixel Watch or Galaxy Watch 5. Which one would you prefer? According to Android Central, an anonymous guy sends a Google Pixel Watch pictures where he stated that someone left the watch and never come back. This is more of a prototype since according to that guy, Pixel Watch is only stuck at boot where we can only see a Google logo. And he also stated that the charger was also not left over, but it will be charged just like Apple Watches or even Google's own Fitbit. Now later we actually get to know about the guy from Reddit with the name TagTech414. He said his co-worker found the watch and then he gave to this sim to investigate. He also gave him some information on the specification where a watch face is about 1.5 inches in diameter and half an inch thick. The bezels are quite large and there are two buttons on the side. Bottom seems to be coated in glass and watch band is a Google band, looking similar to bendable Apple Watch sports band. Another Twitter account stated an expected price of the Google Pixel Watch where he suggests that the price will be around $400 and it may call Pixel Watch Fit or something like that. As we all know, Google was providing Wear OS for the multiple hardware like Motorola, Samsung, HTC and even LG. By the way, my all-time favorite is Motorola rounded watch. So we can expect the new Wear OS for Google Pixel Watch this year. And news are coming that Samsung is also working with Google to make a customized OS for the Watch 5 and Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. According to the other test analysts, Google Pixel Watch comes with the Exynos processor. And yes, this time Google is not going to opt Snapdragon processor, and we may see 32 gigs of internal storage in Google Pixel Watch. All in all, if the bezels are too thick, then how would Google justify the price? Let's see. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below Google Pixel Watch or Galaxy Watch 5. Which one would you prefer? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.